I don't know why doctors don't tell us about these things. I suffered with what they labeled as chronic gastritis. I've had GERD. My doctor told me I had GERD since I was in my 20s, but I got full-blown gastritis a few years ago, and I lost 40 pounds in a month because I couldn't eat anything. And I went to the doctor, and he just didn't try to get to the root cause of it. He just said, take these pills. And I had never heard of a PPI before. If you don't know what a PPI is, it basically shuts off your stomach's acid production and wrecks your entire system. And if I had known about this stuff that a friend told me about, I would have never gone on those PPIs. And this played a big role in helping me come off of them and stay off of them for, well, it's been a couple of years now. My friend saw how sick I was, and when we were talking about it, he said, you need to try this stuff. It helps a lot of people. And I had never heard of it. I mean, I knew what it was. This is papaya, but I'd never eaten papaya, and I certainly didn't know that it was like good for your stomach and that it could help with like digestive issues. Basically, the way it works is, this is freeze-dried papaya powder, by the way. It's just 100% papaya, and freeze-drying apparently is one of the best ways to preserve the enzymes over like freezing or dehydrating or whatever. It has this enzyme in it called papain. I was reading about all this on Dr. Google, and it turns out that the papain is a proteolytic enzyme. And that just means that the enzyme breaks down the proteins that you eat. And basically that takes some of the workload off of your stomach. And if your stomach is pissed off, anything you can do to make it like easier, make its job easier, this is a good idea. And so I started taking this with any larger meal, and I stopped having any kind of reflux issues. It worked so well for me. And you can Google around. And you'll find just so many stories of people that have seen just crazy benefits from it. And anyway, what you do, they give you the scoop. The scoop comes with it, and you just take 1 scoop and you mix it with just like 1.5, 2 ounces of water. Because contrary to what the doctors try to do and shut our stomach acid down, you want your stomach to be an acidic environment when you're putting food in there, because the acid in your stomach breaks the food down. And so if you drink a lot of water or juice or whatever right before a meal, or even with a meal for that matter, you dilute your stomach acid. And so your stomach has a harder time breaking down the food that you eat. So when you do this, just do it with 1 ounce or 2 of water right before you eat, and you'll see. I mean, I saw a huge difference. And the cool thing about this is if you forget to take it and you eat a meal and you start having a problem, this works really fast. So you can do the same thing, just 1 ounce or 2 of water with this, and within 15 minutes, I always feel better, like always. So if you want to try out some of this stuff, the stuff that I use, that I get, I want to make sure that I'm using an organic product, because if your stomach's already having trouble, you do not want to be putting pesticides, chemicals, whatever, preservatives. You don't want to be putting that in your stomach. So I use this one because it is organic. It says natural papaya enzymes, like that's why they sell it, is for the enzymes. And it's just 1 ingredient. It's organic papaya powder. That's it. So that's why I use this one. If you want to grab the same kind that I'm using, I will link this right down here at the bottom of the video for you, and I hope that it gives you as much relief as it has given me over the years.